love braids.
This is all your...
Let's find the right piece together.
Wow!
Aha!
Nope. You win!
Everyone smile, come sit at my table and stay for a while. My teapot is hot and my spirit is bright. I just want to share all my joy in my life. Look, hubby is here sitting down for a cup. I pour him some tea and he's drinking it up. But Kissy gets pulled to the side of the screen. The love button clicks and it changes the scene. They walk off together, I'm glad they are fine. But who's gonna share a warm teacup of mine? The player is next, step right up, don't be shy. I hand them a mug and I dance feeling high. But wait, here comes Poppy, she's entering too. The button goes quick, now the lovers are too happy. They leave me behind in this playtime garage. I walk to the factory looking around. Hey, prototype, look at the tea that I found. I pour him a cup and I wait for a cheer. Well, my button flies, all the magic is near. I'm smiling so big. Dusty floors and painted walls. Lily walks the quiet halls, twisting braids of yarn and thread. A curious puzzle lies ahead.
Wow!
Two big doors stand in her view. One is red and one is blue. The factory sleeps, the shadows play, but she has to choose a way. The clock goes tick, the clock goes tock. A golden key for a silver lock. The playtime gears begin to spin. Which is the door that lets her in? Left or right? Which way out of the fading light? Braids so pretty, shining in the light. Candy colors glowing, looking so bright. Step into the runway, feel the beat. Every move I'll make is sweet, sweet, sweet. Twirl around, let my hair flow free. All eyes on me, can't you see? Keep us strong, I own this vibe. I was born to shine, I feel alive. Love my braids, I'm shining bright. Lily glow, I light the night. Step by step, I steal the scene. I'm your candy fashion. Look at me, I'm so sweet. Watch me glow. Lily Love is running the show. Lily Love is running the show. Pink and pastel stars so fine. Every little detail, all is mine. From soft to bold.
Prototype.
Digital love is all just wants to know. Living all taking over. Digital love, I'm trying to take control. Living all can take it no more.
그때만은 please tell me now. I'm feeling low, so let me know I'm in it. Curious, love fading out, I'm falling apart. I can't begin searching the saturated feed. All these are drowning me, baby, can't you see this? Say you see more than you need, we're lost enough, don't you care? Yeah, with all these fake things we share, just erase, there's just no one else, yeah. No one else but yourself, yeah. I just wanna have somebody find me one day. 주위 말들 it up, yeah. Let's not do another love song, baby. Can we find a love? Oh, digital love is all just ones and no. Live it all, I'm taking over. Digital love, I'm trying to take control. Live it all, can't take it no more. Love's not one no more. Love's not one no more.
La 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 la. A brand new day. Are you ready, my toy friends? Lily with her lovely braids so bright, stepping out of the factory into the light. Time to dress up and walk down the hall. Today is the day of the fashion ball. Trading my blue dress for something brand new. Come on, everyone, let me show you. Trying on ribbons, shining in the sun, leaving behind the dark, having so much fun. Pretty new shoes and a dress made of lace. A beautiful smile on everyone's face. Lily love braids dancing in the light, touring around in a dress shining bright, bringing sweet treats and a cute little bow. Ready to star in the big fashion show. Call up Hoggy and the prototype too. Look at my outfit, it's totally new. Prototype wearing a fancy top hat. Kissy is posing, just look at that. So many colors washing away the gloom. We're playing dress up inside of our room. No need to fight or hide in the dark. Just stylish clothes and a bright little spark. Lily love braids dancing in the light, twirling around in a dress shining bright, bringing sweet treats and a cute little bow. Ready to star in the big fashion show. Call up Hoggy and the prototype too. Look at my outfit, it's totally new. 1, 2, 3, let's strike a cool pose. In the dark I feel the glow, soft and sweet but something slow. Step by step I take the floor. You've never seen this side before. Hear the sound, feel the beat, little echoes in your feet. Turn around, take a look, you're inside my little world. In the dark we shine so bright, cute but strange in neon light. Step by step we steal the show. Watch us glow, glow, glow. We don't hide, we don't run, playing shadows just for fun. If you stay, you will know this is how we run the show. Don't look back, feel the track. Stepping right out of a sparkly sweet dream. I'm kissing Missy with my pink fluff gleaming. These long arms are made to hold you so tight. A big bright smile to make everything right. Leave all the shadows and sadness behind. Chapter 5 is here, the best you will find. The toy factory is waking up today, welcoming the fun, hip hip hooray. Don't be afraid, I'm a friend that is true, bringing sweet kisses to cheer up you. Running around, let's play hide and seek. Hearts beating fast, it's so unique. Oh, kissy missy, sending kisses your way. Happiness fills up our warm hugs today. Chapter 5 shines with the rainbow's bright glow, melting the cold, warming the winter snow. Dance along with me, my dear little friend. Laughter ringing out to the fairy. Laughter ringing out to the fairy. Welcome back to Playtime Co. Dust on the shelves, a broken smile. We've been walking for a while. The halls are cold, the lights are dim, following a purple wind. Chapter 5 is calling out. What is this place really about? Grab the blue and grab the red. Let's solve the puzzles up ahead. Hush now, don't make a sound. Footsteps echoing all around. Giant toys are waking up. Will we
have my issues, problems with trust. You were the problem, to you I was dust. I could smell trouble from miles away, but now I'm different, yeah, I'm okay. You had your reasons, you did your best, but the one you needed was someone else. I sat there waiting for you to change. Then I realized you're not the one for me. I wanted space, you wanted trouble. You hurt me once, the pain was double. Though you were more than just a hit and run, I should have known that you were not the one.
Oh no!
You broke my heart to a million pieces. I've dried my tears, but I want you to know I'm not the one that you thought you needed. I faced my fears and you're not the one. I still remember those things you did. Yeah, they still linger. Still hold the beat. Might hurt forever, that's what they say. But I know I'll never will face that.
Who is Rory Redcape's bride? Rumi.
I wanna be a weekend lover. Yeah, I'ma be the best damn lover you got. I wanna mess up your covers. I don't wanna meet your mother. Never ever ask me how I've been. Have my number. I'm the best thing that has ever happened to you. Here's your time to shine. Now show me what you can do. The way my hands feel on your body, the way we're dancing in the dark. With every move I make, you're falling. The way my lips feel on your body, the way we're moving in the dark. With every breath we take, you're falling. I ain't got no time for romance, but baby I don't want to lead you on. Now I'm looking for something steady, nothing for doubt. I'm the best thing that has ever happened to you. Here's your time to shine. Now show me what you can do.